Backtesting every day on some profile. Day 169. So I'm gonna be backtesting this session. And after this session, I have to go right away because I have to catch a train again. But it should be good. So I'm gonna set in a timer for an hour, and then I'm gonna go off right away. Because otherwise I'll be late. So 59 minutes. Okay. Put on my headset. All right. Play some music. Okay, so July, now end of July, and now going to August. It's gonna be bad, but we'll see. We'll see how the results are gonna be. So already knowing, the strategy almost like 9% mechanical, and already having August and December backtests in 2024, I can probably already expect these results. So 802, there's probably going to form 2 setups, which I have to take right away, probably. We'll see if it actually is the case. But yeah, going to be some losses in this August that I already know of, so that's okay. Oh wait, I traded this day already, but no entries. Okay, so maybe I skipped too far, or I don't know, I'm already here, but let me just skip to the next item. So this is 5th of August, 2024. Okay, 10 a.m. news. No trading on Tuesday, AM session trading, and then trading on Thursday. Let's see what the draw on liquidity is. Yo, Patrick. What's up, man? How are you? Move drawings. Okay, so it's bearish. Period time frame is bearish, changing state of delivery lower. This is where we're trending towards. Here as well. Let's see. So looking at where we are in the charts, it does look like looks pretty good for lower prices. But apparently I took some losses. We'll see. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna play out this structure here. This is the range leg where we're trading inside of. We don't really have any imbalances here. Looking at this leg, I think that's the only gap in this entire leg. But yeah, just looking at the structure, this would then be the low-hanging fruit. If I'm expecting for it to go lower, so that would be the first start, low-hanging fruit. Let's see. Just gonna play this out. 10 a.m. news. Okay. Let's see here. 9:50 or 45. After that, I'm not allowed to trade until 10 a.m. So waiting until news gets released now, which is here. Let's see where we're trading inside of. So you have a lot of inefficiencies in this leg here. Not really a singular one. We don't have to be a singular one. You can already see that we're delivering off of some sort of gap here. So still looking at the structure, knowing that we're inside of a gap here. This is kind of crazy. Okay, let's see if there's going to be something here. Looking at this internal structure. Okay, I think this is an entry, 1040, it's in the right time. It is, so take out equal highs here. This will be the internal structure, and then we close below here. That's the first swing low. It can be pretty tight break even, place order. And then here will be the inversion. First TP minimum of 102 and side fade 103. And then full TP, that would probably be at the stage accumulation here, which is here, yeah. So it looks like an okay short, in my opinion, but we'll see how it actually will play out. Let's see. Okay, that's it. Why is my stop not here? Okay, wait, no, so I'm not not out yet. I'm waiting. Let's see if we can book. Yeah, okay. Stop's always at the high. I don't know. I thought it was at the high. Place order, save. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's already break even trade. Break even trade did prevent me from getting fully stopped, so that's good. Download the image and then break even. Good, we'll be here probably for a few minutes. I have important exam in 3 days, so I need to log in right now. After that, I'll have a few days free. What about you? Nice. For me, I have work tomorrow. Yeah, I don't have school anymore, so I don't have exams anymore, so that's really a nice thing. But nah, for me now it's working. What is it about? What are you studying, Patrick? Okay, let's see if there's a re-entry in here. I think there is, yeah. So took a tie here, still that internal model, singular busy, same idea, but then on a 2-minute time frame. That would be the inversion, going back. All right, let's see. See inversion, stop at the high. Break even will be here, so I have A11. And then on the S, break even, that will be nothing here, so that won't be that low. So probably NQ will take it, or it will be stop. We'll see. First CP minimum of 1 and 2, stage accumulation in smart maker cell model. It's gonna be here. And here for yes. And then looking still at this is the market maker cell model. This would be next stage accumulation, I think. Let me check. I think actually it would be on the 5-minute here. Yeah, I see this. So this, and then this is no longer here. So first TP is going to be the 1 and 2 fixed. Still almost like the same TP, but that'll be first, and then final that'll be there, the opening range low. If you want to get there. All right, let's see. Closure below the entry. Right there, place order save. See if this is still 101. Oh no, this is not a 101 anymore, so it'll be a fixed 101. All right, let's see. And this is not a 1 and 2 then. It'll be here. Okay. Nothing. Okay, that's a full stop. Gonna download this. Want to see what we did after though. Still confident with it going lower, but okay, I would say that's pretty choppy. This is on a 2 minutes, so not that crazy. But this is now lunch hour outside my kill zone, but that'll be just a loss. 2 minutes. Yo, Georgie, what's up? I'm not training today. No, I'm before FOMC. I'm not training the AM session, and then tonight I'll catch a train and then eat dinner at my what is it? My parents-in-law. Has to happen as well. So I won't be trading today, and I don't mind trading on not trading on FOMC days. Like I always have to wait until FOMC gets released. So yeah, nothing really. Most of the time today, nothing really for me anyway. I go to the PM session. So okay, so this is PM session. Let's see. We're trading into. We have a gap here. Yeah, we have many gaps here. They take out the high here. Yes, it as well. I'm still expecting for it to go lower. We'll see what we actually do though. Yo, Max. What's up, man? How are you, Max? Okay, playing this all out. Nothing here. So far, not liking the August price action as always, I think. But let's see, maybe it could still change. Okay, we have a small gap here, busy, taking out the equalize. Let's see if we want to close below, we do. Already took one loss, so this is going to be a loss and I'll skip to the next day, because then I'll walk away. Or if it's a W, I'll walk away as well. Break even at a 1-1 here. First EP, there'll be a fixed 1 and 2. Place order. Save. Let's see, and then full TP. That would be at a stage accumulation in this market maker sell model. Here, here, here. So the next first swing low is going to be here. Fits inside of A1 to 8, which it is. So let's see, again, a 2-minute entry. Break even on yes, that will be at low here. And let's see. Nice, that's break even. Using that IFG as resistance. Let's see. Okay, that's TP. Nice. See if like a few seconds if I can take it off at the low there. Doesn't really matter, but oh shit. What am I doing? Okay, beautiful. 74% off there. And then yeah, that will be full TP and then stops at break even, so it doesn't really matter what happens. And yeah. Skip to the 1 minute. Let's see. Let's see, it's not taking on ES. Oh, no, it isn't. It's still there. Wow. So it's still waiting. Oh, that's taken on ES. Shit. At here. So around here, that'll be full TP. Oh my god. Okay, I have to go back because that rest can stop the break even. Good, good. How are you? Great as well, man. What setups are your favorite? These are my favorite. I only have one setup, which I take every time. But looking at IVGs, when it goes like almost no retracement at all. So here, there's a closure below. Save. Yeah, what are best setups when it's just a W? Those are the best. Look like here. No real retracement, just a small choppy candles here, but then it just goes right away, and that's like the strongest with. And yeah, that's what I'm looking for with the inversions, basically. 75% off there. I don't care now. And then full TP was just a bit here when yes took out that low. Or no, maybe not. Let me play this out. Yeah, right here. And a bit lower. Oh yeah, that's hit, but it wasn't hit on yes yet. Oh shit. I don't think it's much further down. Oh, I took it off there. Okay, no, so that's good. So that's 100% off there. Yeah, these are the best. Okay. So far it's actually going great. I really don't remember taking these trades. But I don't know also if I like already I skipped that Friday, but I don't know if that I opened the charts actually now on or yeah, opened it today, and then I don't know if I already went through that day. But so far, yeah, Monday, 5th of August, if I go look at the data. Like, I don't know if I also changed after that when the weekly, like I'm following what the weekly candle's doing, if I changed that before or after, like implemented that rule. Because the 5th, yeah, look, I took a loss on the 5th, but now I took 1 win. Or no, I took 1 win and yeah, it's not there. So I really don't know what I was doing. I honestly don't know. Or I implemented the rule after. That could also be. Yeah, so this is really nice. Alright. Going to Tuesday. Yo, Mackers, what's up, man? How are you? Nice, keep it up. Thank you, man. I will. Really nice trade right now. Waiting for yes to hit TP. Is OP actually. I don't know how people are trading only NQ. If you like in the live markets now, like NQ just moves so much quicker. If you you will eventually see that. Like sometimes ES is just so slow. I love 2024 price action. Yeah, still was great. We'll see if it actually will be on every other day though. But now it's going okay. And then this inversion, this still tells me to that price should go lower. This is Tuesday. Oh, I'm not trading this day. Go to the next day. We don't have any news here, so Wednesday AM session trading. See what we have here. Still going higher actually. Are we delivering off of something here? We have a senior daily Sibi. And then here on yes. And then looking for shorts, we don't have to tap the gap, or probably will tap it right away. Let's see. Forward spring lows here. It's from yesterday. Looks like a trend line here. So eventually I want us to see, yeah, I'm bearish, so that could be a nice draw. But let's see. Where's it got the high here? Looking for shorts and after. Also pretty clean lows here. Also like a trend line. Could mark out these lows here. Here as well. And let's just look at the price action. Gonna play this out. Hopefully 930 juice swing goes a bit higher into the gap. Create more structure from there and then drop lower. We did take out a 4-hour high here. So at least has to be on the... Oh no, we have an SMT. Okay, otherwise I have to be on the 5-minute. But if we do want to go higher, and if ES also takes it out, which I think it did now, yeah, now I have to look on the 5-minute. Let's see, 5-minute I taken. So now I can be looking for shorts. So far it looks pretty good. Let's see what we do. 40.54, have to wait for 10 AM now, which is here. Let's see, ooh, 2 minutes. We have a senior 2-minute gap here. Took out one high here. We didn't take out equal high, so still have to wait for more structure. Nothing here. Close below here. But didn't take out equal highs, so waiting. Nothing here. Still pumping higher. 10.53. Nothing here. Just to be sure. No, nothing here. And this is outside my kill zone. So the AM session, yeah, what is this? AM session didn't do anything going to the next day because we had only AM session trading medium impact folder news. No, I mean your strategy. You have ES chart also open, which prevents you from many losses. Oh yeah. That's also, yeah. Oh, that way, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's really helpful, yeah, having ES on the side, but yeah, like it's not necessary for other people, of course. But I think it's really nice, really helpful for me, personally. I think for IC trades in general as well. Like the SMTs really do work. Okay, so now Thursday. Drop lower. So that's a really nice reaction off that daily Sibi. Could have been a nice short, but of course not gonna... There was no entry in there for me, so I'm not gonna do anything stupid there. And then I have the Sibi here. of this new leg, and then here should be as well. All right, sell side here, sell side here, here, and here. And then this does look like it's pretty bullish so far, but I'm still expecting a reaction from this gap for it to go lower. This is Thursday, unemployment claims. We'll see how this will actually play out though. Pretty clean lows here as well, also like a trend line. Yeah, so should be looking pretty good, but yeah, already had a big push. 8:30 news was, oh yeah, unemployment claims. Yeah, let's see. Looking for more structure and then for a push lower. Just gonna play this out. That's the 4-hour candle opening, pushing higher still. Still in this gap. So yeah. Waiting, still pushing higher, waiting for more structure now. Still pushing higher. But yeah, looking at the 6-hour, like we still have the gap here. This is still the range. I'm still looking for it to go lower. It could react off the wick here up top. Does it look like one to react off the wick? Not really. It doesn't really look also that ES or NQ is a bit more bullish, so that we want to maybe have an SMT at the highs. But yeah, I have to look for short still, and we'll see if still anything forms. Still looking at this range then, and yeah. Nothing here, waiting. It's almost at my kill zone now. 11:06. 11:16, go into the PM session, see what we did. Nothing here. And now, yeah, so now we close above this here, making this an inversion. Not just on IQ, but ES did the same thing. So yeah, now it's actually an inversion for me. So that tells me, okay, at least there to the buy side. Looking for longs now. And then after that gets taken, I'm bearish again. But I think once that gets taken, it's probably the end of the day. Like probably nothing then after. So yeah, let's see. Just looking at the structure now again. A lot of clean lows here again. Also like a trend line. We'll see. Maybe that wants to get taken before you go higher, but not necessary. I think they look pretty clean though. I should go. Still have many things to do. Bye and good luck. Thank you, man. You good luck as well, man, with learning for the exams. See you, Patrick. Are you not profitable still? Not yet, no. I would say the strategy profitable, but first I have to prove it to myself as well, which I have a lot of faith that will happen in this year. But yeah, we first have to see it, of course. Big push again. Wow. Waiting. Damn. Just playing this all out like I'm looking for my setup. If it's not there, then okay, nice push lower. Like I'm first looking if it's actually my setup, and then looking if it's a valid setup, and then yeah, look from there. Like I'm gonna go to the price action pretty quick here. Trading lower, teasing that high there. Then we have a singular busy here, which we're trading into now. And then on ES, we have a singular 50-minute busy here. Still looking for long, still in the right time. Let's see what we do here. Could still be set up, it's almost outside my kill zone, so. Yeah, I don't think there will be anything here. 3 minutes. Okay, if we close above here, then it's gonna be an entry. Okay, which we don't. And what time is this now? 15:02. It's outside my kill zone. Now going to not Friday, but the next week, which will be Tuesday. Yeah, there was nothing here. Let's see what we did the rest of this day. Yeah, back and forward, and eventually higher. What time is this? Yeah, like that last hour trading. Not interested in that, but eventually we do go higher, so that's nice. Friday, Monday, and then Tuesday. PPI, CPI, retail sales, unemployment claims. Friday, no trading. Looks like a good trading week though. Let's see. So weekly still bearish here. Going on the daily where we had that singular gap. Is that daily gap could still be a reaction from here, but you're trading pretty high again. So maybe after this day you want to close above. Then it would be bullish. If ES, NQ, and NQ also, yeah, if they both close above. For now, it's still looking for shorts. Yeah. We have so much, like, what, I don't know what this price action really is. Like a lot of trend lines. Like a lot of slow staircases to the upside. Here, here. We'll see, still looking for shorts. We're still pushing higher, but yeah. 9:15. Do you have any 4-hour high here? No. Okay. Yeah, let's see. What's your setup? I've watched some of your live streams. I understand IVG, but what's the checklist? SMT, sweep of lows, IVG. SMT is not necessary. Basically, there are so many things. It has to be in the right time. So with news, has to be inside of the right kill zone, or it has to be inside of the kill zone. Yeah, then for that one variation, equal lows taken. Let's say I'm bearish, equal highs taken. Then a singular FEG. So in a leg, we could have multiple. So here we have a 1 minute here, 1 minute here. I go to the 2 minute. We have one here, 3 minute. We have one here, 4 minute. And then we have a singular one. And then this needs to get inversed on the same time frame as the inversion. So on the 4 minute. Also have 4 minute equal highs. And then, yeah, that's basically the checklist. Really simply said. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna play out this price action here. 8:30 news, no other news. Still pushing higher. Could mark out the range here to give myself a bit more of an indication where we are in this leg. There. And here. Okay, let's see. Just gonna play a price here again, seeing if I, yeah, looking for my setup and then seeing if it's actually valid. So you respected 3 times, 100%, 10.18. Wait, what? Okay, no, yeah, 10.18. Close below here, and then these would be the equal highs. This would be the setup. See if it actually is. Oh no, ES already took the lower out, we break even. So yeah, it's also part of like the checklist. ES can't take that low yet because I need to have a place where I go break even. And if ES already took that, then yeah, could be an SMT from there and go higher. Yeah, just playing up price here, and then yeah, August price action. I think you can see it right again, like not really efficient price action in my opinion. Trading higher, and then probably it's going to be a day without any setup. 11:08. Yeah, this is how my kills already go to the PM. Huge pump higher, still going higher. Wow. Let's see. Yes, nowhere near here. Yeah, NQ also. Still just looking for my for my entry near. Still looking for shorts. But I don't think there will be anything this day though. Let's see. Small gap here, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Nothing equals here, so nothing here. Just gonna play this all out again. Looking at this, like I'm not really, like I'm totally fine with not having an entry. Like what is this price action? To me, unexplainable. But I don't mind looking for, or not getting in and set up with this price action. 14.14. Okay, there could be the entry in here. I think it is 14.40. Okay, so this is an entry. Yeah, as I said, I don't like entering on this, but I have to because my strategy tells me to. IVG, then take out these internal highs. Looking where we are in this leg. Yeah, we're still going higher, but I'm looking at this daily. We still didn't close above it, even though we're all the way above here. Like, yes, could still be respecting it. Of course, NQ looks like it's a bit higher, but if NQ still closes above, ES is respecting it, then it's still bearish for me. So, in this case, also still bearish. We're also or almost outside the, what is it, the kill zone. So almost at like, yeah, almost at market close, but I still have to take this. That'll be the entry, stop at the high. Break even at a 101 here. First TP, that'll be a minimum of 1 and 2 inside of this market maker sell model. That'll be first TP, and then that'll be final TP. Yes, that'll be first there. Break even on the yes, that'll be at the opening efficiency here, so that'll be right there. Let's see. That's a 1 minute entry. Oh, my fill's a bit higher. Oops. Stop. Okay. So let's see. Don't have any faith in this, but we'll see. And like, what is this price action? That's break even. 1508. And that's a TP. 75% off there. At the 1 to 2, and then holding until the, what is it? The full TP, which is going to be this low. But almost at 1530. If it's 1530, then I'll manually close it. So 21, still a few more minutes. And okay, rest got stopped at break even. So really nice trade, is it? I don't know, but yeah, pretty choppy price action. Eventually do go lower. Yeah, kind of unexplainable here, but yeah, still a W though. That didn't get hit, but I'll still mark it out. Okay, download image. Interesting, I get it. Okay, okay. Only backtesting. Right now, yes. If you mean like in general, I'm backtesting, live trading, all those together. People always, or always, I see people comment in some of my videos and they tell me, oh, you need to stop backtesting. You need to also live trade. And I say always, like, I'm doing that at the same time as well. Like, I'm backtesting and live trading. I think that would just be better than just live trading. Like, that makes sense to me, right? But yeah, just wanted to say that. Yo, Dodo, what's up? How are you? Haven't seen you for some time, man. Wednesday, CPI, 8:30 news. Thursday, unemployment claims, and then Friday we had nothing. Okay, so let's see. Now this daily candle, what it did. So obviously NQ closed above. Looking what ES did, it also closed above. So that's nice. Now I can be with the trend again. That will now be the inversion. This will now be the inversion, and now my bias is bullish again. First draw on liquidity is going to be the high up here, and here on ES, and even higher on ES. That will be here, and then on NQ. If this gets taken on bearish again, if this gets taken on bearish again, that'll be the range high here. And then this will be the range high on NQ. And then yeah, now looking for longs towards both, or towards one, towards the range high on NQ or towards the range high on ES. So let's see where we what we're doing here. Okay, we're delivering off a singular 6-hour BC. And on ES, we're delivering off also a 6-hour or 12-hour BC actually. Oh no, 12-hour both on NQ and ES. Okay. All right, let's see inversion. Let's see. Looking at this as a market maker style model, there's no stage accumulation here. So if I'm in a trade, this is not like first TP, but I'm trading towards here, and yeah, there are no other targets in here. So going on a lower time frame. There was 8:30. What was it? CPI. So it does look like CPI took out all these lows already. So with having a bullish bias and seeing that CPI did take all the lows already, and we're still very, very bullish, probably this could already be the manipulation at 8:30. At 9:30, probably, maybe, hopefully, you want to stay inside of this range and then still push higher. It's kind of what I'm expecting. If it does go lower, like totally fine, okay, then take out the lower again, looking for more structure. Still waiting for it to go higher. So just gonna play this out now though. Okay, trading lower. ES looks like it's closer, more bearish, or not necessarily actually. Playing this all out. Okay, we do want to go lower probably. Still in this range, but it looks like we want to take it now. Nothing here, waiting. Okay, so now we took out that low again. So looking at this, where after this low, where is there really anything? Is there anything open in this leg further than this low? In my opinion, there isn't really. Just looking at the structure, like then we would be looking for even lower, and I'm not expecting for the market to for it to do this or something. So after this low, we could already have a big push higher again. That's kind of what I'm looking for. If we don't get it, of course, that's totally fine. Then it'll just be no trades. But already having it prepared in my head, like my setup could form here somewhere. And I think it just did it. Yeah, it did. So we took out the CPI wick here. It's not a 4-hour low. No, it isn't. So you have a 2-minute singular inversion. Then we have a swing low here, yeah, here as well. Taking out these equal lows on this one swing low. And then the closure above here. It's not really with a lot of, what is it, displacement or momentum, but that's not necessary. Breaking is going to be a 1-to-1. So with what I explained, like this would be a really nice trade if we do want to go higher. Like just drop below the 830 no, data wick low, and then from there go higher. So could be a really nice trade, but we'll see if it actually happens. 1 and 2 OR. Okay, let's see. 1 and 2 OR would be first CP here, and then that would be final. Let's see. And then break even on ES. And Q break even is here, so on ES it will be at the high here. So yeah, only looking at IQ basically here. Let's see what we do. Okay, instant loss. Not even filled. Oh shit. I think we want to go higher now. Probably a re-entry somewhere in there. So yeah, I would say that narrative still, look at that, that's beautiful. But a bit too early, but that's totally fine. I think there is a re-entry in here, not so sure yet. But I have to go back and take this entry and then take a loss on that. And then probably this is a W, I think, just already from what I'm seeing here. Please analyze USD, JPY. I'm not trading anything else than NQ and then ES basically. So like I could look at other things, but I'm now focused, like I'm not profitable yet. So I'm not focused on anything else besides NQ and ES. Okay, so that was a full loss, and I'm going to play this out so I know in the screenshot. Beautiful push though. I've been doing great, bro. I'm still waiting to get humbled by markets like other guys said. Okay. How was it with the challenge yet with Georgie? That of course like what was it? Like, but how is it with the accounts basically? Okay, bro, yeah, sorry man, sorry. So here, Sibir here, another one here, 2 minutes. And then we have equal lows taken here. That's the closure above, that's the entry. All right. That would be the inversion. Wait, what? Oh, of course, that's already played out. But the account is good. Yo, cool. What's up? Alright, man. Okay, so that's the closure above. Place order. Taking out the equal lows. First UP, looking at this market buy model. Safe accumulation here, here, and then only there, I think. Or could be here also. We have an SMT at this. This was already taken. So then it would be yes here. It's another 1 and 2. First TP, minimum of 1 and 2 inside 1 and 3. That'll be first. 2 minutes. Break even at a fixed 1-to-1 in this case. Yep. So this is going to be first CP, which I know already got taken. And then here on yes. And then full TP is going to be a fixed 3.5 because the trial liquidity we're trading towards here. It's outside of a 1.8. I just saw that, but inside of a 188, but it's outside of a 188, so it's gonna be 1 at 3.5 full TP, and then that'll be the trade. Let's see. I know eventually we did go higher, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it was a break even though. Okay, let's break even. Yeah, we eventually went higher. Oh, yes, already took it at here. We're not at a 1-2 yet, so what I'm gonna do, 1-2 fixed, and then that will be full TP or first TP. Right there, 75% off there. Okay, and then again, this still stands as 3.5 full TP. Let's see. Stops at break even. Yeah, let's see. So either TP gets hit on NQ, only on NQ, it will be break even trade, or it'll be outside my kill zone. And then I'll manually close it. That's a huge drop actually. Let's see, 15. 1506, 1508. 100% off there. So eventually out of this, still a really nice trade. 1.33 RR. Okay, so why my TP was, this was my first TP because he has took that high there. But why my TP was a fixed 1 at 3 is because the higher time frame draw liquidity for me is still higher. So I'm not expecting for us to take out the high here and then trade back lower. Like I'm expecting for us to continue the trend, still go higher. But of course we didn't do that, but that's what I'm expecting. And that's why the TP is at a 3.5 fix there. But yeah, eventually we didn't go higher, taking out or dumping from that low. But still really nice W trade. So far August is, I think I made that rule after, like no way. This is the same what I backtested there. My bias was totally, yeah, that weekly just helped me already. I know for a fact that this is 100% what I would have taken then as well. 14th of August, there's no way I didn't take this because like bear time frame, if I did implement a rule later, like that weekly change in state of delivery, this is still the same. Like we close above here, ES close above here, that's 100% the same. So I 100% definitely took this trade, or I should have definitely taken this trade on that that day as well. Let me see if it actually is safe now though. I don't know if did I save it? Is it this one? Oh, that's the break even one. Oh, I pasted it in the winner shit. Here, it's a break even trade. Okay. And this is the W trade. Okay. So yeah, I really want to check actually. What was that now? Shit. 14th of August. Yeah, 14. I'm good, bro. No trading until much later. Nice. That was set up before, but I think model says to be bearish at the moment until 4 hour low taken. Yeah, period time frame. I'm very bullish in general. Let's see. Curious. I felt the challenge, but was not really rushing it. But yeah, counts good. Nice, nice. That's good. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. That's really nice. Yeah, we have FOMC. Wow, that's really nice. I had a call this morning and we talked about this, like pushing up higher here and then taking out the lows. But we expected it to get taken with CPI or with FOMC. What's the draw? I think it actually is. What's the weekly? I think it's actually bullish. So I have to look for longs if I was trading. But I think this is pretty nice. So actually, taking out these lows here, I still think we're gonna go higher. And then also, I got explained, like looking at like psychological perspective, looking at like Nvidia and where we are going, people are thinking that the market is gonna go way lower. But to me, it makes sense for people to be scared for the market to just go higher now. Like, it looks crazy, but I think it. Well, I think higher time frame will still be bullish. If I was trading today, I have to look for a long. Yeah, I really don't know. Wow, that looks terrible. Yeah, FOMC, of course, in PM. And I wanted to see here. So 14th of August, I took a W. And it should be here as well. What? I took 2 losses? Yeah, I did. What? I honestly don't know what I was doing here then. Like, I have the footage after recording of me taking the trade. Or is this the one? I think maybe this is that trade. 1410. 1402. I take a W on this. 1410. I don't know what time that is. Is that New York time? Or I think it is this trade. This trade, I took that W. That's on the 14th. So I think that was the exact same trade there. It should be. There's no way. 1410. I don't think it's New York time, but let's see. 1410 or around 10. What's the entry? 1040. Yeah, I honestly don't know. I don't think it. It's definitely not New York time, but yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that's a nice W. Going to the next day. 15th, 8:30 news. Okay, let's see. So still the draw still higher. Looking for that range high there. Yeah, I'm definitely bullish, but this closing below on the 1 hour busy mean we have to be bearish. Yeah, it is, but and ES also has to do the same thing. So looking at the 1 hour, or is it? Did it? Yeah, we closed below here, but it has to be in the entire leg. So we did close. Or what do you mean? Looking at ES. Whoa, what? My colors are different. Look at that. Saw it right away. Apply all. Okay, so looking in this that 1 hour, or I don't know what 1 hour really, but we're looking from the swing low to the swing high. This is that fractal leg because we have a lot of inefficiencies here. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. 2 hour, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. 4 hour, 1 here, 1 here. So already going from 3 to 2. This will already be the right one to look at. 2 here. 8 hour, we have a singular one. So this is still holding. The bear time frame is bullish, and then we're holding the singular gap here. And then on the ES, let's see what we had on the 1 hour here. We did close below here. And then we have a gap here, very small one. So going on the 2 hour, 1 here, 1 here, 4 hour. And then we suddenly have a singular one here as well. So this 4 hour. So we're still in this. So this is the singular gap both on NQ, both on ES. On ES it's a 4 hour. On NQ it's, what was it now? A 8 hour. And if NQ closes below here and ES closes also below here, for NQ on an 8 hour, for ES on a 4 hour, if it goes below there, then it's bearish. But for now, we're still respecting this. And in 2 hours, on ES we'll close below, and on NQ in 5 hours we'll close below. So it can already go, like already looking at that, it's going to be looking for bullish price because yeah, there's no way we're not going to close below because that's outside market close. So this is what I would have then, like those, this BISI and then the BISI here on ES. So BISI at the trading at the low of the BISI and then NQ around because it's going to encroach from here. Yeah. The singular gap. Yeah, always the singular gap, yeah. Let's see. So here, bullish. And then singular gap here. And that'll be the inversion. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it just looks overwhelming. Bullish giving the job in London session. Yeah. Oh yeah, that also. Also, yeah. Like FOMC is probably gonna point the direction of the weekly candle, I think. If FOMC is gonna be crazy bullish, crazy bearish, then probably the rest of the week is, I think, gonna follow. Like, I don't know if we... Yeah, I still think we're gonna go higher. So let's say FOMC just pushes way higher here, then probably it's gonna go towards here. And then because of that, like, I'm not expecting for FOMC to, let's say it pushes here. Like, I'm not expecting for it to go here again. Like, I think that would be too much. So for me, that makes sense. And if FOMC is going to push way lower, probably close below this gap here, then that tells me for, okay, if it close below here, single gap in the leg, that's going to be the sell side, that's going to be target. And then for yes also. So probably FOMC is going to, again, I think point direction where the weekly is going to go. But it could also just be, yeah, it could still be doing not that, but it makes sense just looking at that at like where we are in price. It's not always, of course, but yeah. I think this is an entry, looking for longs, 945. Took it out equal lows here. I have a singular gap here. 945. 8:30 news. We don't have any other crazy news, so it's going to be an entry. That would be the inversion. There's already an entry on here. Go back one candle. Then AM session has been choppy as expected. Yeah, that's really, yeah. Like that's the thing with oh, it is already closed above. Yeah, with like it's so obvious. Not always. Like still we could have a big push in the AM session before FOMC, but most times you just see that we're just building up liquidity for FOMC. Like those big news events, we're just building up liquidity, just generating structure and not really doing anything crazy most of the time. I wanted to our first TP. But yeah, the chop has been good then. Like there was chop, right? Let's check. Oh yeah, it's still pushed tower. What tower? It's still pushed lower. Oh yeah, no, it has been really good. 9:30. This is the AM session. Look at that. That's just so. It's just so obvious. Like always. If you like now, it looks so obvious now, of course. But eventually, finding that out in my data, like I don't know if I actually did find on my data or I got like a tip and then oh yeah, I see it now. But let's imagine you are just backtesting and you got this much data and then every time, like is it once a month, FOMC? But yeah, let's say FOMC is once a month. I honestly don't know. You see on a Wednesday that AM session is terrible. Like what do we each time have on that day? And then you see, oh wait, PM session we have FOMC. Each time I've seen the AM session is then choppy. That could be the reason. And then just really simply implement something there to avoid trading that AM session. Wait, that's the entry. Let's see. That's a break even. And that's the TP, 75% off there. Algorithm is going crazy good. I honestly don't know. This is what? Honestly don't know here. Went to our first TP, 3.5 will be full TP. Or either break even trade. There's nothing on the yes. Or is this side 1-8? No, it isn't, so let's see. And that's full TP. Wow. And still pushing higher. See if we eventually want to go lower. And then yeah, this is what I'm expecting for us to do, for us to just trend in here. And then still this would be a draw, but it's not realistic looking at the RR there. So that's why 3.5 for me. But let's see, we closed the day at around, what could it could have been like a 1-7, but yeah, again, it's not consistent, just consistent. 3.5, that's all I need. 1-2 our first TP. Oh shit, I almost did an hour. 6 minutes and then I really have to go and catch a train. Top. Oh shit, I need to charge my phone. And then 3.5 full TP. Alright, and then just gonna paste like so in my folder. Going to Friday, no trading there. So that'll be the end of the week. Let's see where this end of the week closed. And then still, I think the Tron liquidity is the same here. That's the buy side, and this will be the range high on ES. So still looking for longs towards here on ES. And here on NQ, and then I think it would be bearish again. Yeah, and then it still would be bearish again. So yeah, after that gets taken, expecting for it to go lower. Honestly, I don't think it will go lower after that. But we do have pretty clean lows here as well, like these lows. Or not really on NQ, on ES, but these, like a feather swing low. Yeah, still looking for longs until here, and then what I said, looking for lower after. See where we are in this leg though. We have a singular gap here, so 30 minute busy here, here, here. 1 hour, we have a singular one, which we did close below, back above, so that will be reclaimed busy. Let's see what ES did. 1 hour here, and 1 hour also a singular one here, which we are respecting. So far, nice reaction on ES. This will be low hanging fruit. Finesse here, okay. Low hanging fruit could be here as well. Here and here. And I'm expecting for it to go higher. NQ does look like it's a bit more bearish than ES. Maybe it wants to trade lower. Maybe take out the low here. Not really expecting for it to do that, but could be. What's this low actually? Oh, this is on a 1 hour chart actually. Just looking at this. Yeah, I don't think it will go way lower, but yeah, still could be. In this gap here, they take out liquidity here. That's that 1 hour gap from all the way on the left. At CE around here. Expecting bullish reaction. 930 if it wants to go lower. Yeah, rare really lower too. On ES, this does look like a really clean trend line though, so. But yeah, expecting for it to go higher, we'll see. Monday, I don't even know if we have news actually. Okay, only AM session trading. Let's see. Does drop lower. Close above here. This like, like, is this an entry or yes or no? It's like taking these internal lows. This would be the singular gap, but I'm not taking this. Like, you could say these are equal lows and then this is that singular gap for an entry, but that's a subjective thing. But yeah, it's not an entry for me. Trading lower. Nothing here. 10 AM, the 4 hour candle opening. Trading lower again. Now closing above here. We did a close above now, and yes, already took the buy side up here, so that's now taken. Yes, trading in the range, really not moving into them on NQ, the same as on NQ. So these highs already taken, so the next first target is going to be up here, which it still would be an entry then, 1007. On this one swing low, one low here, that's an entry. And then we have a singular gap in this leg here, this 1 minute. We also have one here. Yeah, a small one here and one here. But why I only look at this 1 minute here is because this is already balanced. This already got closed in. Already candle got in there. And here as well. So that's no longer special. Like that got closed above. So only looking at the first one here. That's the entry. This already got taken. So it'll be a 1 more break even in this case. And then first EP is going to be minimum 1 and 2. Side fade 1 and 3. Which is all the way up there, which is, what is it even? Oh, that's that daily. So we'll see if we want to go there. And then break even on ES. Oh, I thought it was the daily. Oh yeah, no, we have this high, but yeah, break even on ES, that'll be at this high here. So at that black line. We'll see what we do. Okay, instant loss. Or not instant, but ES signal or making perfectly wise, yeah, happens. Yeah, happens. Let's see what we did after. Okay, now we took that. No, we took that, and we did win higher as well. A lot of back and forth. Eventually, did go higher. I don't know if there's a re-entry though. Don't think there is. Just looking at this. Okay, good stop on here. 2 minutes. Wow, this would be really. Yeah, it would be an entry. Break even would be at. Oh, already would be not here actually. No. We'll be at a 1-1 on NQ. Let's see. Let's actually check. It'll be a huge stop. This is literally the stop. Break even would be on, I think here then. Yeah, inside of a 101. But yes, already took it on here. So yeah, it would be break even trade on here. And then maybe there's a re-entry from here. Don't think there is. No. Maybe there's something in here. This outside my kill zone. And this outside PM or AM session. Not trading in PM because of the news, and yeah, just a loss on that day. Tuesday, no news, but I think I'm gonna end the session here. So look at that, a really nice direction from that 1 hour. Same on yes. Yeah, just gonna be in that. Now taking that daily. Now the Tuesday. No news here. So skip it to Wednesday actually. But I'm gonna end the session here. Yeah, don't know what we're gonna do after. Could still go higher, but honestly don't know. We'll see then tomorrow. Actually, so nice taking all those lows. The AM session has been choppy as expected. Yeah, 2024 looking like a 40% plus year right now. Have a good evening, bro. I'll let you know how later goes. Yeah, let me know, man. Curious. Oh yeah. It's looking great. Yeah, could be. Who knows? I know December is not, but yeah, August. It's just. I don't know. Really don't know what happened in August here, but yeah. You're gonna end here. Cool. Thank you for watching, man. Good luck trading in the afternoon, and yeah. Good night, man.